Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.
Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
What is the knowledge that Krishna revealed to Arjuna?
Yes, Krishna asked that you rascal surrender unto me. You are all rascals, you surrender to Krishna. Then your life will be successful. This is the sum and substance of Krishna's instruction. Sarvadharman parityajya mamekam saranam bhaja. Oh, Krishna is not asking only Arjuna. He is asking all us, all rascals, that you are manufacturing so many things for becoming happy. You will never be happy. Rest assured. But surrender to me and I will make you happy. This is Krishna. One line. So, the one who is intelligent, he will take this process. That I have tried my best to become happy, but everything is failure. Now let me surrender to Krishna, that's all. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.